Westbrook at Brewers Row, and we're checking out their 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan as well as their amenities, so let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are checking out the Westbrook at Brewers Row. It is an amazing community with something for everyone. They offer 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Plus, they have townhomes for even more space. The community also has a gated parking lot for added security. And some of the units also have private balconies with some amazing views. So let's go tour the community. Okay, so first off, let's check out some of their amenities because this community has so much to offer. The first thing you're going to see when you walk in is the mailboxes, and I show you this because they have a private package room with a camera, which makes it super convenient to pick up your deliveries. There's also a 24/7 gym, so you can stick to your fitness goals whenever it works for you. And if you have a dog, you're gonna love the washroom that they have available, as well as their on-site dog park. Your pets are gonna feel right at home here too. One of my favorite spaces is the clubhouse. It has amazing views of the pool and games like pool and foosball. Such a great spot to relax and hang out. And speaking of the pool, they have some cozy vibes. There are fireplaces, making it the perfect spot to chill, even on cooler nights. I love a good pool, and this pool offers poolside grilling stations, fire pits, and an outdoor TV, as well as it has an elevator resort style pool with sunbathing decks. I mean, the Lux Ledge loungers in the pool. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. This is another great area to host with your friends or just come and chill for yourself, and I love the lighting as well. All right, now let's head up to the unit and take a look inside. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it is stunning. One of the standout features is the walk-in closet that connects to both the bedroom and the bathroom, giving your guests easy access while keeping your space private. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, and there's even a balcony with a beautiful view overlooking the pool, and I'm gonna give you guys some time to just take this in. Now let's talk about my favorite amenity here, the Sky Lounge. The views up here are absolutely insane. You can see for miles and miles, and the sunsets are breathtaking. It is also super cozy with fireplaces, plenty of seating, and the perfect spot for photo ops. If you're looking for a place to unwind or host friends, this is it. In this area, they offer a lot of group seating, games, as well as a grilling station. And that is a wrap on today's tour of the Westbrook at Brewers Row. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments where you'd like me to tour next. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new upload. And if you stick around, you'll get to see some behind the scenes bloopers from my day. As a content creator, I think you'll love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yep, that's my color right there. We're at the Westwood.
Westbrook at Brewer.
All right, we are at the Westbrook.
Westbrook at Brewers Row.
Okay.
I got it. I'm saying it.
What is it again?
Westbrook. Oh Lord, damn.
Can you write it on the phone so I can look at it?
We are at the Westbrook at Row.
We are at the Westbrook at Brewers Row, and today, all right, I need you to get out my shop. Okay, we are at the Westbrook at Brewers Row. Okay, we are at the Westbrook at Brewers Row, and today we're going to be checking out their 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. No, start over. Today we are at the Westbrook at Brewers Row, and we are going to check out their 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan. Let's go. Almost fell. I got to do it again. That was good though. This will be the last one. No, I want to say and some of their amenities, and all of their amenities, and their amenities. Okay, we are at the Westbrook at Brewers Row.
Westbrook at Brewers Row.
Today we are at Westbrook at Brewers Row, and we're checking out their 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan as well as their amenities. So let's go. Oh, the let's go is gonna get. Wait, are you recording me? Oh my